Hi everybody and welcome back to the Paperless Movement YouTube channel. I'm Tom Solid and today we won't talk about another task manager or note-taking app. Today we will talk about my grocery list. Yes, you can do grocery lists in many ways and I see it again and again. People creating it in Notion, creating it in Todoist and so many other apps. Obviously you can write it down on paper as well. What the most efficient way is to create a grocery list, I will show you in this video. So the tool I use together with my wife is called Bring. And this tool is not just simply a grocery list. It has a lot of intelligence back there as well. So let's see what we have here. So I'm living in Germany, so you will see a lot of German words. Also, it is set up in English, as you can see down there. And here in the settings, some words stay German because it recognizes where I'm based and where I'm going shopping, and it gives me recommendations related to this. So for example, if I go to offers, I see all the grocery stores and the shopping centers locally, and I see the actual offers. So I could go now there and say, okay, I want to go here. I'm in the heart of this. Then I go here and I see the offers and I know, all right, let's go shopping there. Something I rarely use, to be honest, because we are mainly on this page. And the first thing is that my wife and me, we both have it on our iPhones and we have a single source of truth when it comes to grocery shopping. That's awesome, isn't it? You know this when your wife or your husband, says, hey, don't forget to bring us, the stuff from the supermarket and so on. I tell my wife, put it into Bring and I will bring it back home, pun intended. It is really that easy. And after she saw the advantages as well, having this grocery list there available, my wife also started using this. She's not into this productivity stuff and all this. So, I could have forced her to say, you have to use Todoist and we make a grocery list there and then we share it and things like this. No, Bring is perfect. And I'll show you why. So you see already it's called Zuletzt verwendet. This is just recently used. And these are the things that I bought recently. All right. So when I want to have this, I just tap on these things and they will get back up there. I really love the minimalistic style, so I can tick these things off and it goes back there. So whenever I'm shopping and I don't get all the things that I want to buy, they just stay up there so we won't forget it next time. So the other thing is that you have the payback card, for example, or any other shopping cards that you can use to easily scan. So you don't need to carry around these cards. You just bring them into Bring and then you have it available for, to show it there and scan it there. Then whenever you write anything in here, like whatever, banana, all right? You see the icon for bananas. And this is actually a dynamic icon. So whenever you write anything, it tries to recognize what you could mean by this and finds the right icon. So I love this thing as well. And now when it comes to intelligence, what I realized, the more I used Bring, and we are using it, I think, for 4 years at least, on a daily basis. It recognizes the path I go through the shopping center. So for example, when I go for fruits and vegetables and things like that, in Germany usually they're in the very beginning of the shopping center. And in the beginning, when we started using Bring, obviously everything that we put in here, it was all over the place. Once you start using it, it will remind what you ticked off first and what you ticked off in the middle and last. So it will reorder it next time in the way you are going through the shopping center. Isn't that awesome? I think this is really awesome. And the other thing is, this is really awesome. I don't know if you know Bring, maybe you don't know this. If you go to the 3 dots on the top right and you tap there and you go to shopping suggestions, here it recognizes or it shows you the groceries you might need to buy soon because you're running out of it. For example, milk, cream, broccoli, and so on. These are things that we buy on a regular basis. It keeps in mind whenever you buy this again, it recognizes the time between when you buy it and then compares it to when you bought it last time. And this way it calculates when it's most probably that you need to buy this again. I think this is already worth it. It's a very basic thing in the end. And this is what I love about this, because it has one style, and now the best thing, it is available on Apple Watch. So I don't even have to take out my iPhone. I can just scroll through my Apple Watch and check my grocery list there and tick off the things that I need to buy in the order, as I said, I'm going through the thing, instead of walking around looking at the iPhone all the time, not switching it off and things like this. Isn't that awesome? Let me know in the comments below what you use for your grocery list. And if you liked this video and you didn't know about Bring, check it out. It is for free. You can download this for free. And tell your friends about this video and about the app. And make sure that you subscribe to this channel so you won't miss out on the next time when I talk about another productivity tool that fits into your digital productivity system. And I'll catch you up next time.